tertiary generation kingships in Kenya.
There are some areas in the western part of this country where they are doing papaya farming, and they've been able to work out with the several counties who are also growing papayas extensively for export and also for local consumption. Together with that, we've also identified areas within the central region of Kenya which they can do fish farming, and we've done divisibility studies, and those people, if given support, they are willing to start off the farming.
We show people and train them on how to do the fishing. We want to remove the mentality of giving handouts, because many times when handouts are given, the one giving them handouts, if he is gone, people remain in the same state. So as we help them now socially, we are going to discover, get to know what is that thing that they can do in their clusterhood. If it is farming, we support them. If it is pastoralism, we support them. And we manage it to the ladder so that it becomes sustainable. We sustain them so that it can be a legacy for their generation.